Hello everyone. Hey Beauty Connoisseurs, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome to the channel as well. And if you are new, if you don't mind, go ahead and hit the red subscription button down below. Also click on the notification bell so that you will always know when we upload a new video. If you're interested in this unit that I'm wearing right now, this is an Amazon unit from N&T, Nicole and Tulip, and I will leave the information card for that review right here. So today I'm stepping outside of my box and I got a unit by Janet Collection. It's the Natural Me. It's the natural texture hair. And I got it, the style is Zara, and I got it in a color number 2. And the reason why I got this is because I saw Phoebe Rome review it, and it just looks so pretty on her, and so I thought I would give it a try. I gave another one a try, and I did not like it. I don't remember if it was Janet, but it was one of those natural wigs. And it just didn't look right on me. But anyway, this is what it looks like. Nice curls, and it doesn't look like it's gonna be too big. And here's the parting space. You have the light brown lace, and you get the 2 combs right here by the part, and 1 comb in the back. And is this a middle part or a side part, or I think you can move it. Well, we'll see. But I'm going to cut the lace and put this on. Okay, this is Zara straight out of the package, and it doesn't look too bad. I think I want it on the side though instead of in the middle as far as the parting. But that's what it looks like. The hairline is it's not too thick at all. I really like the hairline, and it does fit ear to ear perfectly. And I didn't adjust the straps in the back, and I'm gonna say it's all head friendly, and it's very soft and lightweight. It's not heavy at all, not whatsoever. I would like this to be a little flatter at the top, so I think I'm gonna have to go off camera and get my blow dryer and mash it down some. But let's see, what would it look like if I turn it to the side? It still looks even on the bottom, so let's look at it all the way around real quick. I think it's cute, but I don't know if it's as cute on me as it was on Miss Phoebe. But we'll see. I'm gonna go off camera and I'll be right back. Yeah, I think Zara's kind of growing on me. I would have never chosen it on my own if I hadn't seen it on Phoebe though, but I think I can be used to this big hair don't care. And I just kind of fingered through the curls some just so it wouldn't be too uniform, and just kind of trimmed it a little bit here at the front, just kept kind of frame my face a little bit more. And I can't really decide if I like the side or if I like the middle. Y'all let me know what you think. I really think I like the side better. Yeah, I think I like the side better. So, I don't know what. We'll try these. These rose gold. So y'all really let me know what you think about Zara. And have you tried the natural textures and do you like them or not? And please like, comment, and share. Give the video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.